In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix white screen crash in Elden Ring. So first, go to Steam and then find the game. So right click on Elden Ring and then go to Manage and then uninstall the game. After you uninstall it, go to this PC, C drive, then Users, and then go to Documents. Now, if you see the game here, also uninstall it or just delete it. If you see Elden Ring, just right click and then delete it. Next, what you want to do is go to CMD, run as administrator, and here you're gonna run the following command. So type sfc/scan now and then press enter. This will take a few minutes to load, and once it's done, you can just close it down. Next, you want to go to Google here. Then you want to type in the Windows package. So type DirectX runtime user download, and here you will download this web installer. So download the installer from the official web page of Microsoft and then run the installer normally. And once you run it, you can just close this down, and then you want to go here and to Google again, and then type in Visual C++ redistributable, and then download the latest version of C++. So make sure you download both 64-bit and 32-bit. And then you want to also just run the installer normally again. Run the installer for both of them. So after you run the installer, you want to make sure before you go back to Steam and reinstall the game, you want to make sure you restart the PC. Restart it and then go back to the Steam and then reinstall the game again, reinstall Elden Ring, and then hopefully this should work for you.